We also have a similar function like mouse x and mouse y, and it is called p mouse x and p mouse y. P as a prefix represent previous mouse location. In this example, we will use mouse xy and the mouse xy function to draw a star. Basically, you can draw anything you want. Notice in here we are using our primitive shape because line is a continuous, and therefore line makes it easier to draw continuously. Now we get introduced to the very helpful functions, which are mouse and key functions. Mouse pressed and mouse released are the core functions that we will be using a lot along with the key pressed and key released function. Next is a mouse and key variables. These are the variables that we can use during our conditional statements. For these variables, we will be using the first 3 and last 5 of these variables during most of our project. We also have a function to translate, rotate, and to scale the object. Note that the order matters for translate and rotate functions. We use x and y coordinate in the translate function. And when we use translate, rotate, or scaling function more than once, your targeted object will be rotating from the last position when you used translate or rotate or scaling function. For rotate, you use radian values inside the brackets. And for scale, you enter the value that you desire to scale your object at. Here is an example of using translate, rotate, and scale function. In here, sketch size is 150 width and 150 height and 0 value for black background. And notice the no fill function. The no fill function basically prevents any color filling inside the shape or object, which is right here. It prevents to color anything in this rectangles. And this program is also set to green shape borders by using the stroke function, and the mode is also changed to the center of the rectangle, which is also the center of the whole sketch. Now here the translate 75 in both x and y direction is the middle point of the sketch. From there, it's rotating 30 degrees from the right side. So from here to from here, it's rotating 30 degrees. So just recalling to what I said earlier, that translation, rotation, and scaling will continue from its last position. And as you can see here, the rectangle is continuing to rotate 30 degrees from the previous coordinates. and this code should produce the same result as that one right here.